Somebody is cooking in the kitchen. Somebody is cooking in the kitchen. Hi guys, welcome to Miss Valerie in Health. Today I'm doing string bean salad. Did you all know you can use string bean to make salad? I'm gonna show you how you can use string bean and make a regular salad. Alright, for your Sunday dinner. Okay, you just cut the tips and you cut your string bean long way. Alright, cut the ends off, bring it down like this, and put your boiling water on the fire in a little pot and put a little salt in it, and then you just cover it and let it comes to boil. Alright, and after you do that, I'm just finishing to cut these up, and then I'm going to give it a rinse. And then you let it simmer. Use the boiling water so it keeps green. When you use the cold water, by the time it starts boiling up, it starts to give a different color. So just okay guys, I cut my string bean in half, straight way down, not across, and I rinse it off, and I'm gonna put it in my boiling water that is on the fire boiling. Reason for that is when you put it in the cold water, it starts to change color while the water is boiling. But once you put it in the water that is already boiling up, then it just remains like this, and you just keep it for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It depends. You can try to see how tender it is, so you can take it off. You don't want it to overcook. Okay, so I'm gonna go now and put it in my pot. Water is boiling. I had a little salt to it, and then I'm just going to pour everything in the pot. I'm just giving it a shake. Shake it. Alright, I'm going to cover. And let it simmer. Okay guys, I just immediately take the pot off the fire. I drain the water off, and see the green bean is still green. Alright, you're going to let it sit and cool a bit before you add the other ingredients to your salad. Or you can run some cold water over it, just to chill it a little bit, and then you just put it in your nice bowl. Alright, see, all the water is out. I'm going to sit it in a nice bowl like that. Okay, I'm going to put this away. In my salad, you're going to use a knife and cut around like this. You're going to take out the middle. Sometimes some of the tomatoes, they are very hard inside, so you just bring it around like this. Oops, you get it out like that. Okay guys, I cut this out, the middle of it, and then cut it in half. You can either do wedge or you can do round slices. Alright, but I'm gonna do my lettuce first. I can throw it out because we don't need that anymore. And then arrange your string bean, and then your lettuce. I don't use a knife to do the lettuce because some knives, after a while when you have your lettuce, you see the color looking red and all of that. So I just pick my lettuce with my hand like that. Keep longer too. You can put more lettuce if you want. It depends on the amount of family you have. You can put to your soup. Alright? And then you just I'm going to use a tomato and make a rose. Okay guys, you can either use a cutting board to cut your tomatoes on, or you can just cut it, because some people don't have cutting board, so they have to find other ways how to cut it. Alright, so you just do it like that and just place them nicely. Okay, this look a little attractive. Alright, and my tomato, I'm going to peel it. Okay, I'm going to make myself a little rose. Like this. And set it on top of my tomato on my salad. Okay, you can sprinkle a little corn over if you want, or a little carrot over, whatever you want to decorate it with. It's all up to you. If you want to use a little raisin, you can sprinkle a little raisin, or to your soup, whatever you prefer. Okay. Okay. I have a little raisin, so I'll just show you. Okay. Some people don't like raisin, but some do. So just sprinkle a little raisin over, because the raisin is a little sweet, so it blends in. And see, string bean, nice and soft. Sweet as well. Wow. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you.